Let me simply say the ingredients, right? Everybody likes a really nice piece of cake. And at the end of the day, you can go buy a very cheap box cake, or you can buy something that has better ingredients, that tastes better. And at the end of the day, most of the time it's because they have better ingredients. And then again, the chefs or the engineers put together a science to, to making that recipe. We've done the same thing. Our vinyl is a better formulation. Our glass and our coatings are simply industry leading. And then again, the technology and the equipment that we use are state of the art. So at the end of the day, it's really all about what you're putting in, the ingredients, the process to getting a quality product versus just a mediocre piece of cake.